This is a look at what's in the box for Caverna, Cave versus Cave, a two-player version of Caverna, or at least Caverna themed. This one's already been sorted, so all the tiles are there, but have been bagged. Basically, various buildings that you can build. Some more buildings. Wooden resource tiles and other, I guess, I don't remember what the green ones are, but some sort of resource. I guess a blocking tile. I think round track or scoring track. And foldable player boards. So you can build your cave. And another one. And the rules reference sheet with all the components. Let's see. Standard Uwe style. So there you have it. That is what's in the box of Caverna, Cave versus Cave. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe. Thank you.